Hi, welcome back. Another important topic. So, certain times they might ask some interview question. How do you find net amount and tax of list of invoices in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? This is the simple thing. And again, this kind of analysis sometimes it is useful in your real time, either support or implementation project. Let's try to see. The transaction code for this is VF05N. Let me show you this how it works. Let's go to the SAP. Okay. Before going SAP, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently, I'm holding 700 and plus videos. And along with that, if you're really interested to learn more things, this is the dedicated place in Udemy. Here, you can able to find around 110 hours courses. This prices varies time to time. Okay, so all these are the different courses available. I would recommend particularly two courses: getting master how to write a functional specification before getting into the real time. And next one is idoc with 5 scenarios. I have done explanation. So you can able to see all these courses, around 20 plus courses available. I'm just providing these links below of this video. Let's get into the topic quickly. Okay, so you can able to find invoices, VBRK and VBRP. Okay, so certain data you can able to find it out. Let me try to show you how exactly this report is useful. Oh God, it's expired. Okay, let me try to log in again quickly. So let's go to the screen, SAP screen. So this is VF05N. Okay. Now, if you see this, if you give certain billing document number, you can able to find out certain filters available. Like if you know the billing type, you can able to do it. This is standard system, just giving ZF. So F2. Okay. So either customer or payer wise also you can able to filter it out based on the billing date from and to also you can able to filter it out. Let me try to give my sales organization. Okay. And I don't want to give distribution channel. If you have different distribution channels, then this is the filter again. So this is by default open billing documents. If anything is there, you can able to find it out, which is failed at accounting level. This is billing documents in FI. Let's click this. That means for all these documents, accounting document generated. Now, if you see sold to party, payer, and billing date, and sales organization, distribution channel, the billing category and the billing document type. If you see document category, so let's try to filter here. If any other documents available, also you can able to filter here. So all our invoices only. We didn't get anything. Okay. So this is the posting status. Okay. It is reached to accounting and the user. And if you look at this, this is the basically the net value and this is the tax amount. Okay. If you want any other filters, you can able to take from here. Okay. This I need not explain. You can say out the layout. So for your information, I have just saved the variant with net value and tax amount. This is the place where you can see this. This is basically the list of billing documents. Okay. These are the list of billing documents. You can able to find it out. Okay. This is how you can able to do it. Okay. That's it. If you really wanted to know more things, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you love this video, okay, please like it and please share with others. It will be useful for everyone. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Before leaving, I just keep a reminder. If you really want it, you can find Udemy courses below of the description box. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Hind.